Hey gang, welcome back to Inverted Pursuits Lab. This week we're going to be looking at two new products that we're just launching. So these are our transition electronics bays. So we've used the lock 4:3 and the lock 3:2. I think it's actually 3 to 2.14, and this is the 4 to 3 inch reduction. But these bays are screw-in just like our standard plastic nose cone electronics bays, but they also are a little different. So they taper up to the smaller diameter and then have a additional plate that is bolted on with a 1/4-20 bolt at the top. So this plate allows for you to do your dual deploy from just this bay. If you wanted to dual deploy this as your electronics bay, you'll notice you have a sealed plate up there. There's a little bit of an air gap around this inner edge, just because the mold isn't exactly perfect. They vary piece to piece on these that you'll get from Lock, and when you cut them off they're just all a little bit different, because these do come sealed front and back and you have to cut the ends off them to get them able to have this accessibility. But this also allows them to be useful for staging. So if you wanted to stage from a 4-inch to a 3-inch, you could put this in there, and now you can put all your staging electronics in here, whether you're going to blow charge here to separate the rocket, or if you're just going to hot stage and light the rocket right off of here, you've got the ability to do that. A little bit of aluminum foil tape covering the back, and they take care of that quite nicely. And so we've even done it for the 3 to 2.4 size, and on the listing you'll be able to buy every piece independently. So you'll be able to buy the full kit, which is bay, top, screw, and the threaded sleeve that goes on the inside. This sleeve, it can be glued in or screwed in. I recommend glue with the way these are working out so far. Then you can mount a 1/4-20 eye bolt to the back here if you want. You also have a 1/4-20 mount spot at the top, even on our small ones. So if you wanted to thread an eye bolt in here instead of the bolt, you could do that for holding this on and get another mount point. So there are a couple different ways to do this, but they come with all the parts, or you can buy all the parts independently. So if you want to buy just the top, because you broke the top will be for sale. If you want just an extra sleeve, you can buy just an extra sleeve, just like you can with all of our other ones, or you can buy the full printed kit part set. So this one will come with just the one 1/4-20 bolt. This will be the first time one of our printed sled kits has included a hardware set with it. We could do potentially in the future like included hardware sets for the 1/4-20 eye bolt, but we have that separately on our website. So if you want one of those, you can pick one up while you're checking out. But these are our two new electronics bay. I did have them printed in orange. They will not be printed in orange on the final ship versions. These will be gray. I just wanted to point that out here real quick. They will be printed in gray just like every other sled bay, but I was testing out some new filament and wanted to see it in a bigger piece. It's the only reason these ones are orange. But anyway, thanks for watching, gang. If you want to find these, check them out. I'll link in the description below. I'll see y'all in the next video.